Imagine this. One day, every friend leaves. Every family member can no longer stand beside you, and all possessions are gone. Who will remain with you then? The answer is surprising. Your true friend is not a person at all. It is your good deeds. In life, people often measure friendship by laughter, by loyalty, or by presence. But when the final journey begins, when the soul departs this world, no one can walk with you. Not your wealth, not your fame, not even those who loved you most. The Prophet Muhammad reminded us. The son of Adam says, my wealth, my wealth. But of his wealth, 3 things are his. Whatever he ate and consumed, whatever he wore and wore out, and whatever he gave in charity, this remains. On that day, your true companion will be your prayers, your charity, your kindness, your patience. They stand beside you when all else fades away.